Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have created this smudged kajal look for you guys, where eyes are the focal point of the makeup and it pretty much looks like a smoky eye. This look is easy, it's quick, practical and versatile. Yes guys, anybody can wear it and I think anybody can do it easily also. So if you want to know how to create this makeup, then let's get started. So I'm starting off with a moisturizer and a concoction of these two foundations to get my exact shade, and here I'm not going to use any concealer, so foundation is going to do all the job of concealing and even on the under eyes and on the eyelids. So we're going to blend it nicely all over the face, and then we're going to set it with this powder to mattify our face because the weather is really humid, so we need it under our eyes and all over the face and around the mouth, so our makeup stays really locked in. After that, we are going to proceed on the brows, and I'm going to use this dark brown shade of eyeshadow for my eyebrows. Now this makes the eyebrows look pretty natural, and this is one of the most important steps in your makeup, guys. So now I'm going to use this neutral brown for contouring my jawline only, and then these two blush colors for the apples of my cheeks, just for the natural flush of color, and this is going to make your skin look quite natural. And now I'm going to use this highlighter, but very little guys, only to add a little bit of shine on the cheekbones, which looks very nice when the lights hit it. Now for eyeshadow, I'm going to use this taupe color on the crease, and this also makes your eye look very natural and it's not too harsh. And now for your eyes, to do the talking, you're going to use a nice black kajal. We're going to apply it on the lash line and we're going to smudge it with our fingers, and you can use a smudging brush, but I think fingers work perfectly fine, and that's how you smudge your kajal. Now I'm going to use this intense shimmer, and I'm going to use it from the inner corner of the eye to the eyeball only, and that's how you'll apply it and get the right intensity. And once that is done, we are going to clean our finger and take our kajal, apply on the outer corner to re-intensify it and smudge it as well. Now we're going to take a brown kajal and I'm going to apply it on my lower lash line, and brown is a lot more subtle than black, so it doesn't look harsh, and you can smudge it as well, but it gives that nice smudge look already, so it's up to you if you want to smudge it or not. And finally, we're going to use a little bit of mascara, only a little bit guys, yes, only on the outer corners is what I'm doing, and because that's exactly what you need. Now I'm applying this bindi at the center of my forehead because I'm very Indian and it looks nice, and also a little bit of sindoor guys because my makeup look is incomplete without that, and of course jewelry, because if you have nice matching jewelry like this, why not wear it? And finally onto the lips guys, I'm going to use a dark magenta lip color only on the outer perimeters of my lip, and in the center I'm going to go with this light color. Now this is gonna give us that nice ombre effect, and that's it guys, our makeup look is complete. I really hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. Let me know in the comments your feedback and your suggestions, and give this video a big thumbs up, share this video and subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on my Instagram, and I shall see you next time. Bye bye.